How to streak on Snapchat app. So first, you'll need to open your Snapchat. So you can only start a streak with who you are friends with. And the streak basically shows how long that you have been sending snaps to each other back and forth. And you do have to send a snap within 24 hours. So if you don't have any friends, click on this add friend button right here and you'll be able to add friends through that icon. So you do have to send a snap directly through the camera, and you can use different filters here. And you just have to click a photo and then click on next. And then you'll be able to take who you want to send a snap to, and you can choose only one or multiple people. And once you tick, there'll be this send icon that appears, and you just have to send that, and then they'll be able to see your snap. Now, a streak won't be started through one snap itself. The person that you're sending a snap to will have to send a snap back to you. And if you want to learn more about starting a streak, you can go to your profile at the top left corner. Click on the setting icon. So scroll down and click on I need help. So search for snap streaks. So here you'll see how to maintain a snap streak. To keep a snap streak going, both Snapchatters must send a snap back and forth to each other within a 24-hour window. So if you send snap through your Snapchat gallery or through your Snapchat saved memories, then that will count as a chat. So to count as a snap, you will have to send it directly through this filter right here. So you'll have to click immediately and then send it then. So this is how to streak on Snapchat app.